This video demonstrates how to properly measure an existing door frame for a replacement door. The entire measurement process takes less than 2 minutes. For this measurement, all you need is a tape measure and a wedge to hold the door open. Remember to write down all your measurements. Use the swing doors order worksheets for replacement retrofit flush doors from the downloads page on the Imperial Brown website. Starting at the floor, measure both the inside opening of the frame and the outside edge of the frame. Then stand up to take the same measurements at the top of the opening, both inside and outside measurements of the frame. Next, make the inside and outside height measurements on both the left and right sides of the opening. The final measurements are the width and depth of the jamb itself. These are 10 individual measurements. Once these measurements are complete, pull the wedge and close the door. Order your replacement door from the Imperial Brown website. More technical videos are available from the Imperial Brown website or directly on the Imperial Brown YouTube channel. Leave us a comment on YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter and let us know how your adjustment went, or to suggest another video.